Today we're going to show you how to turn spare ribs into the St. Louis style cut ribs. First thing we need to do is to remove this flap of meat. So we're just going to take our knife, we're going to run it underneath the flap as close to the bone as possible. So we're just going to run this all the way down. Until we've removed it. We're not going to chuck this away, we're going to save this. Next thing to do is remove this end bone. As you can see, it's been sawn through with a bandsaw, so all we're going to do is just cut in between the two bones up to the cartilage. Just need a bit of a pressure on just to pop through that. And we want 9 ribs, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We'll cut after the 9th one. You can also save that as well. And now we're going to square them off. There is a natural point in here. You can just see the knife cut through there very easily without cutting any bone. It's just the cartilage. So now we've squared them off. We can tidy up a bit if we want round here. The last thing to do is to remove this skin. We don't want to be eating this membrane. So just get a spoon or a back of a knife. Just force it underneath there. Get some kitchen paper. This will help grip it. And all we do is just work it around. And then we're going to pull it off. If it doesn't come off in one go, just go back and grab the other bit. So there we have our St. Louis style ribs.